Good morning, team. Justin here. Hope you're doing really good today. Chase has been putting a lot of work on improving the Chase Freedom cards, the Freedom Flex and the Freedom Unlimited. Now, when they first came out, they were pretty vanilla, and the Freedom Flex, it had the rotating categories that you earn 5% on, and then the Freedom Unlimited, you get the 1.5% on everything, but that was about it. Now, since last year, maybe it was 2020, they came out with new categories and adding things to the welcome bonus to make these cards more appealing. They've added categories that you just get extra points on regularly, and then they added bonus categories as kind of a welcome offer. And this is a great way to help stack up those ultimate reward points to redeem for a travel. Chase has just announced a change to the welcome offer bonus category on these cards. And that's what we're going to talk about in this video, and if it's better or worse than the last bonus category, and how it affects us going forward in 2022. So, if that sounds good to you, really appreciate a thumbs up, and then you can subscribe to the channel, okay? Now, the Freedom Flex and the Freedom Unlimited, they're marketed as beginner level cashback cards. But when you pair these up with something like the Chase Sapphire Preferred and the Chase Sapphire Reserve, they become much more powerful, and you're able to use these to complement each other's strengths and weaknesses to earn a lot more ultimate reward points. Then you can transfer these to your Chase Sapphire Preferred or your Reserve account and redeem for travel at 1.25 cents for the Preferred and 1.5 cents per point for the Reserve, or transfer them out to a partner, transfer partner, and get even maybe more value. The Flex and the Unlimited are similar in a lot of different ways. So we're going to look at those first and how this welcome offer bonus category has changed. Now, both cards have a sign-up bonus of $200 cash back after spending only $500 in the first 3 months. $500 is really easy to spend on a credit card. Now, both of these cards have this sign-up bonus, and that's equal to 20,000 Chase Ultimate Reward Points. Another cool thing is that these are different cards, and you could get both of these sign-up bonuses. But if you do have one of these cards, you're not eligible, and if you've had this card in the past, 24 months has to have passed since you got the last sign-up bonus to be eligible again. On top of the cash back, they have a spending category that you get 5% back on. Before, it was grocery stores, and they just recently changed that to gas stations. So you'll get 5% back spending at gas stations up to $6,000 in the first year. And I think this is a really good category because I think grocery stores and gas stations are two of the biggest spending categories for most people. Some other benefits of both of these cards is you get 5 points back when purchasing travel through the Chase Ultimate Rewards portal. You get 3% back at dining and 3% back at drugstores. Couple limited time benefits of these cards is Lyft. You get 5 points back on purchases using Lyft on Lyft rides, and then you get free DoorDash, complimentary DoorDash for the first 3 months using these cards, and then for the next 9 months after that, it's 50%. So you get free food deliveries using DoorDash with these two cards. And both of these offers end in the end of quarter 1, 2022, so March 31st. For the DoorDash, you have to sign up by the first quarter, and then you can still get it for the rest of the year after that, but you have to sign up in quarter 1 of 2022. Now, the way these two cards are different is the Freedom Unlimited. It has 1.5% back on everything on unlimited purchases that you'll be getting 1.5% back on. And the Freedom Flex, it offers 5% back on rotating categories up to $1,500 a quarter. So this quarter, you get 5% back on grocery stores up to $1,500, and not including Target and Walmart, and then 5% back at eBay. So if you don't have the Freedom Flex now and you sign up, you'll get the welcome offer. You'll get the $200 cash back or the 20,000 ultimate reward points, and you'll get 5% back at gas stations for the first year. Then it's a good chance that gas stations is going to be a category coming up in the next 3 quarters. Gas stations usually appear once a quarter or once a year with the Freedom Flex. Then you'd be getting 9% back at gas stations if these two are stacked. How the stack works is that you get 1 base point on everything and then 4 bonus points. So you get 4 bonus points for the rotating quarterly category, and then 4 points for the welcome offer category, and that would be 1 plus 4 plus 4 equals 9. 9% back if you had the Freedom Flex with the welcome offer and then the quarterly bonus of gas stations, which is pretty likely. But on the other hand, the old sign-up bonus was 5% back at grocery stores. And this quarter on the Freedom Flex, the rotating categories grocery stores, and we were only in the quarter for 2 weeks before Chase announced a change to the welcome offer to gas stations. And that was kind of abrupt and kind of sudden, and it didn't really have a lot of warning. So maybe they didn't want a lot of people stacking those 2 bonus categories on each other. But I can't imagine to be that much money being spent on, this small group of people that has the Freedom Flex and are new customers to the Freedom Flex spending their money at the grocery store. But who knows what the future holds. Either way, the Chase Freedom Flex and the Freedom Unlimited are 2 great cards that complement each other and help you make as much Chase Ultimate Reward points as you can, so you can redeem those points for travel and amazing experiences and whatever else you want to do. I'd love to hear what you think. Is gas stations a better category than grocery stores? Leave a comment down below. I'd also appreciate a thumbs up if you're still watching. You can subscribe to the channel if you're still watching and you haven't subscribed yet. And then I want you to go have a good day, all right? Justin out.